So I just got my bike running. I bought a wrecked bike 2 years ago. Completely destroyed, totaled. Was able to salvage the motor and the main frame. Swing arm had to be replaced. And forks had to be replaced. Clip-ons. I went stock with everything because I had a friend that built a race bike and I was able to purchase them from him cheap. So eventually I'll change them out, but for now, to get me on the road, that's what I was able to do. So here it is, 2000 R1, and anyway, runs great. It's the last year that they had carburetors on the sport bikes before they went to fuel injection. So I have jetted the carbs, put the Coffman stubby exhaust on it. Runs really good. You get a little decel on the downshift. Starting to get used to it. I don't know. It can be annoying. Anyway. So, it's basically all stock except for some aftermarket parts and jetting the carbs and replace the clip-ons. They were destroyed anyway, so I didn't really want to go back to stock, so I put a little bit of money into the clip-ons, or the rear sets, I'm sorry. I'm going to change the brakes out. These brakes are horrible. Put a Euro tail and did some carbon fiber wrap. Try to make it look a little more modern compared to stock. Something different. Never see these bikes on the road anymore. I don't know, you know. Don't ever see them. Not this year anyway. Seems like they've all been wrecked or something. I see some of the older R6s, but not the R1s. So anyway, that's my 2000 R1. Just basically got it going again. Tell me what you think. Actually, I'm gonna move the bike and start it up for you and let you hear the exhaust. All right, I moved the bike, so we'll start it up, and you can hear it. Sounds like. I don't know how well it sounds on the phone, but alright. Well, let me know what you think. Thanks.